Today we are making watermelon ice cream. Let's get started.
For this recipe, we need kiwis, strawberries, maple syrup, coconut milk, and constant milk.
Let's get started.
First, we have to peel the kiwis and fruits. After you peel the strawberries and kiwis, you can blend the strawberries and maple syrup so it will taste sweeter. We decided to put in chocolate to make it look like there are seeds because the tiny little yellow seeds are very hard to see.
Add that chocolate into the cup.
After you have fried the strawberries, you can pour them into the molds. While we're going to be making the white part of the watermelon, you even put the strawberry mix into the freezer to chill. For the white part of the watermelon, we have to use coconut milk and condensed milk. 6 spoons of coconut milk and 2 spoons of constant milk.
Let's mix it.
Put the kiwis into the blender and mix them with 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. After you've added the kiwis and the maple syrup into the blender, you may blend it. When the white part of the watermelon is finished, you can pour it into the mold. When you have poured the white mixture into the molds, you can put both of the ingredients into the cool. When the green part of the watermelon is finished, you may pour it into the mold. Once you've poured the green part of the watermelon into the molds, you can put the popsicle sticks into it.
Looks pretty good.
When you have poured everything in and the popsicle sticks are in, it's the freezer to chill.
Look at that.
It's time to try it. The strawberry poured a lot, but when you put it in your mouth and take it out, it kind of tickles inside the cheek.
It's really good and chocolatey. I love the different fruits. And I'm so excited for the next one.